Pleasant morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the circulatory system in human beings. Circulatory system helps in the transport of substance from one part of the body to the other part. Human circulatory system comprises of blood vessels and heart. Blood is a red colored fluid which flows inside the blood vessel. Blood transport digested food from the small intestine to all parts of the body. Blood carries oxygen from the lungs to the cells of the body. Blood transport waste for removal from the body. Blood is composed of plasma and red blood cells. There are three types of cells: red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Red blood cells contains red pigment called hemoglobin. Its function is to transport oxygen to all cells of the body. White blood cells it fight against the germs that enter our body. Platelets help in blood clotting. Three different type of blood vessels in the human bodies are arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries carries the oxygen blood from the heart to all parts of the body except pulmonary artery. The pulmonary artery carries the deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. Veins carry carbon dioxide rich blood from all parts of the body back to the heart except pulmonary vein. Pulmonary veins carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. Arteries have thicker wall than the veins. Capillaries are extremely small, that is thin tube that joins the end of an artery to the beginning of the vein. Heart is a muscular pumping organ of the body that pumps blood to all parts of the body through blood vessels. It is located in the chest cavity with its lower tip slightly tilted towards the left. The heart consists of four chambers. The upper two chambers are called atria, whereas the lower two chambers are called as ventricles. The left side of the heart contains oxygen rich blood, whereas the right side of the heart contains carbon dioxide rich blood. The partition between the chamber helps to avoid the mixing of oxygen rich blood with carbon dioxide rich blood. The passage of the blood in the heart can be described as follows. The veins carries the deoxygenated blood from the different organ and drains the blood into the main vein called vena cava. The vena cava drain all the blood into the right auricle. The right auricle contract and pushes this blood into the right ventricle. Right ventricle pumps this deoxygenated blood into the pulmonary artery. The pulmonary artery carries this blood to the lungs where it gets oxygenated. The pulmonary veins carry oxygen rich blood from the lungs to the left atrium of the heart. The left atrium contracts and pushes the oxygenated blood into the left ventricle. The left ventricle contracts and pumps the oxygenated blood into the main artery called aorta.